Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2003 Harley-Davidson Road King Classic with only 21,882 miles has been upgraded with the Champion TRIKE kit, a reverse gear, an aftermarket exhaust, open air intake, handlebars, mirrors, grips, passenger footboard covers, foot brake arm, engine heat deflectors, and a Willie G timing cover, derby cover, and air cleaner insert. Powered by a venerable 88 cubic inch V-twin paired with a 5-speed transmission, this bike puts out about 81 foot-pounds of torque and takes all that you love about the Road King, then adds the stability of 3 wheels. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.